What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to go over how to find the value of your resistors. I don't know if you can read this too well on the video, but that's okay because down in the description below you'll find a link which will bring you to a chart, and you'll be able to use that for reference during this video or for practicing later on your own. There's no real great way of memorizing this other than just practicing it. Spend 30-45 minutes practicing out a few of them. Find out the different values of different resistors. Because chances are most of the people in the exam room with you don't have this memorized, so you'll know if you do practice it, you'll get at least a couple extra questions more than they did on the exam. So it's definitely worth the time spending 30-45 minutes practicing them. So first things first, you got to remember the colors and what they mean. The colors correspond to digits 0 through 9 respectively. The acronym that I use is better be right or your great big vacation goes wrong. You can use whatever acronym you like, just Google one that fits you or make up your own. The important thing is you just have to remember that black equals 0, brown equals 1, red equals 2, so on and so forth until you get to white equals 9. So next, once you memorize those colors and what they actually mean, you're only going to either deal with a 4-color band or a 5-band resistor. A 4-band resistor or a 5-band resistor. There are 6-band resistors out there, but on your exam you are not going to see that, so I'm only going to touch on it at the end. Don't really worry about it too much. So 4-band resistor. When you see a 4-band resistor, the first two colors are going to be the digits themselves. The third color is going to be the multiplier, or how many zeros you put up in the end of it. And then your fourth color will be your tolerance. If you only have, this is the only weird rule, if you only have 3 bands and you don't have a 4th band, that means your 4th band is the color none, so you have a 20% tolerance. That's the only weird rule. Other than that, everything else is normal. So 4-band resistor. First two colors are the digits themselves. Third band is the multiplier, or how many zeros you put on the end of it. Fourth band is your tolerance. So let's go over a couple 4-band resistors right now first. Alright, so let's say we have a brown, red, green, and gold color resistor. Alright? The first two colors are the digits themselves. Third color is the multiplier. Fourth color is tolerance. So first color, we see brown, correlates to 1. Second is red, correlates to 2. Third is green, which correlates to 5. So we put 5 zeros on at the end of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gold is tolerance, which means it's 5% tolerance. So plus or minus 5%. So if we have a brown, red, green, gold resistor, that is going to be a 1.2 million ohm resistor, plus or minus 5% ohm resistor, sorry. So 1.2 million plus or minus 5% ohm resistor. Alright, let's go over another one. Let's say it is a blue, violet, red, silver resistor. Alright? First digit is a number itself, so that's 6. First color. Second color is the number itself, so that's violet, which is 7. Third color is a multiplier, which is a 2. So put on 2 zeros at the end of it. 1, 2. And then fourth is your tolerance. Silver, 10%. 10% tolerance. So that will be a 6.7K plus or minus 10% ohm resistor. Alright. Now the 5-band. The first 3 digits, or the first 3 colors, are the digits themselves. The 4th digit is a multiplier, or how many zeros you put at the end, and the 5th is tolerance. So pretty simple. 4-band, first 2 digits, how many zeros you put at the end. 5 band, first 3 digits. Fourth band is how many zeros you put at the end. So let's go over a 5 band, all right? Let's say we have red, yellow, green, brown, with gold, 5th band. So red is 2, yellow is 4, green is 5, brown is 1, so we put on 1 0 at the end. 1 0, and gold is 5%. So that's going to be 2,450 ohm resistor. All right. And then one more. Let's say we have black, red, orange, black, silver. First 3 digits, first 3 colors are the digits themselves. So black is a 0. So the first digit starts with a 0. Red is 2, orange is 3, and then black is 0. So we put 0 zeros on at the end of it, so we don't put any zeros on at the end of it. And then silver is 10% tolerance. So that means that is a then 23 plus or minus 10% ohm resistor. All right. And then just to touch on a 6-band resistor, like I said, there are 6-band resistors out there. It's going to be the exact same as a 5-band resistor, except the 6th band correlates to the temperature, which I have right there. It'll be on the chart down there below also. But don't memorize it. It's not going to be in your exam, so don't worry about it. Other than that, that's all you need to know. Very simple stuff. Spend like 30, 45 minutes just practicing a few of them, and you'll get a couple extra questions more than everyone else did. Good luck.